Alright, here's my 2014 KDS 450. It's a Nova one. Yeah, full metal gear, all that, full carbon fibre, bigger motor than the rest. So, slapped inside the KDS 450 body. Yeah, got myself PPC lipos at just the perfect weight. Stick it all up, make it look nice. But here I'm still running the KDS receiver. I'd rather have the old Futaba in there. But got it all hooked up nicely. Straight onto the old lipo checker. Got a noise choke in there. What else have I got? It's running the KDS E-bar version 2. It's okay. Disconnected the motor obviously. Mounted in there. Or shitloads of fucking araldite. Yes, definitely looks the part. Flies pretty nice. Still getting the hang of it. Still scares me every time I fly it. Got all this from Hobby Direct out in South Auckland. They're the only authorised KDS dealership, and I couldn't really afford a T-Rex. Although all up, this is like $1,000. So, you know, every time I fly it, I fear of the old crash. So just film it just in case, so if it all goes to poo, at least I've got it on camera, eh? Yes, well, hopefully that doesn't happen soon. Then I'll upgrade to the T-Rex body, because it's way more detailed. Way more detailed. Awesome.